Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows and help improve your PC's performance. While Windows automatically manages memory, clearing unnecessary cached memory can free up system resources and make your computer feel more responsive. So let's get started. First, let's use the quickest method. Go to your desktop and right-click on an empty area. From the menu, select New, then click Shortcut. In the Location field, type the following command: %windir %system32.snack /run_dll32.exe space advapi32.dll, process idle tasks. Then click Next. Give the shortcut a name such as Clear RAM Cache. Click Finish. Now, double-click the shortcut you just created. Windows will run the command and optimize background processes. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments. Another simple way to free up RAM is by closing unnecessary applications. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Click on the Processes tab. Sort the list by memory to see which apps are using the most RAM. Select any application you no longer need, then click End Task. Be careful not to close important Windows processes or programs you're currently using. You can also reduce memory usage by disabling unnecessary startup apps. In Task Manager, click the Startup Apps tab. Select any apps you don't need to launch when Windows starts, then click Disable. This helps free up RAM every time you start your computer. Finally, restarting your computer is one of the easiest ways to completely clear your RAM and refresh system memory. After restarting, Windows reloads only the essential processes, which often improves overall performance. And that's it. You've learned several ways to clear RAM cache and improve the performance of your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and PC optimization tutorials. See you in the next video.